yesterday we had a great evening. You can see the footage right now. Nostalgic moments.
Yes.
We are heading off to grocery store because our fridge is fucking empty.
Wait,
At the end,
is your fridge running?
yes.
Well, you better go catch it.
These guys are funny. Not. Should be fun, and yeah. Yo guys, so
They love it.
what's up guys? To another vlog! It's beautiful weather over there, and today we're trying to get girls' numbers with the drone, with the remote control, with a little bit of duct tape, and with a piece of paper. You can see it over there. Call me. Afterwards you see guys if it worked or not. Eddie, do you think it works?
No.
Do you think it's gonna work? We have 2 no's. 1 yes! Do you think it will work?
Oh, the number thing. No. 0% chance.
See that? We're gonna see it. Alright bros. Okay, good luck. Alright guys, we're coming closer. We have our first girls. She was like that. Okay, next one. See ya. We have the second one. Try that. What? What does it say? Yeah. She's on the phone. She's on the phone. Yeah. Okay, she's trying. She's trying. She's trying. Yeah. Oh! Hello? Sorry?
Hi.
Hi. It's the guy. Can you pass the phone to the girl who's smiling? Huh?
Wait.
Okay, I wait. No, it's the wrong direction. In the bush.
The bush?
Yeah, there. Oh, left. A bit left. Yeah, there. No, right. Yeah, yes, stop. Yeah, there.
Are you a killer or a mother or something?
Maybe.
I'm single.
Maybe she's your type.
Yeah, she is.
Hi, Tomoka.
Can you pass the phone to the girl who's next to
How
you?
did he get the phone? They call me.
Yeah.
Hola.
Hola.
Me gusta soccer.
¿Cómo estás?
Fútbol.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Yo bien, ¿tú?
Bien.
¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo te llamas?
Tú llamas. Argentina llamas.
Argentina llamas.
Argentina.
What are your hobbies?
No, pero ¿eres de Argentina o no?
No, española.
Oh, where? Valencia.
Andalucía.
Really? Andalucía. Yeah, pretty good. Surfing, riding horses, really good there, right?
¿Pero quién eres?
¿Qué?
She asked who are you?
Who are
Like,
you?
Where
who are you? Woo.
Ah, who? A guy.
Okay, yes, of course.
I'm 23 years old, looking for the love of my life.
Pretty boy.
Sitting in a camper van.
Commitment issue.
Commitment issues, is that a problem for you?
Blue eyes. Good abs.
Green eyes.
Tall,
Curly hair.
Big,
handsome.
Big
ass.
muscle. Blue-ish.
Big ass.
It's so funny, eh?
Yeah. What about you, meet at 8 o'clock on the dune?
I don't understand. Repeat, please.
What is your name? Sorry.
Tara.
Tara. Oh, that's a beautiful name. Do you know Katara from Avatar? Pretty much the same.
That's good. Avatar race.
Have you seen Avatar, the last airbender?
Avatar.
Yeah, the guy with the bold. And he's not from Canada.
Some more girls.
Oh my god! Oh, sorry. Hold on.
Could you speak to them?
Oh! It's gonna be a mess.
Do you want to come here?
Yeah, I'm coming. Okay. Give me. How long are you staying on the beach?
stay here in a bit.
A little
I
bit.
don't know
Alright.
where.
I'm coming in like 30 minutes, okay?
Oh,
30 minutes.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Alright, was nice to see you in a bit. See ya.
See you in a bit, huh? See you.
Thanks DJI for sponsoring this video. This guy is showing us Venus.
60,000.
Yeah, Why does he have that kind of shit? It's so weird.
Give me your money or your life. What you doing, boy? Hey, boy! Hey, boy! Give me them titties! Give me them titties, boy!